Dings and dents. Thousands of people are going to get dings and dents today. What are they going to do about it? Nothing. So if I tell somebody they're going to get paintless dent repair, A, they probably don't even know what it is. B, they're not going to give a damn unless we ask the question. Rocky, ever had a ding or a dent? Did you ever look into what it would cost to fix them? Nobody ever does. People just get mad, okay? However, small one, 50 or 60 bucks. Bigger ones, 150 bucks. And you end up paying for them sooner or later. Well, later. When you trade or sell the car, someone's going to deduct from the value of your vehicle for every ding or dent you have. How many dings or dents will we fix for that customer in the first 6 months?
As many.
Unlimited, okay? And again, if they plan on keeping the car longer than 6 months, what should they do? Extend that coverage. Windshield repair, fairly self-explanatory. Get a star or a crack in the windshield, we'll fix it at no cost. Those normally cost about 75 to 100 bucks to fix. If they don't fix it, it will spread. They will have to replace the windshield. It will cost them a deductible on the comprehensive portion of their insurance, and it probably will drive up their rates.